it's a beautiful spring day. We're out here with Diana out at Terra Casa. We're in our gardens this time of year. There's lots of flowering trees and shrubs and hanging baskets, but there's so much more that we can do with the garden. So we're looking amongst all this great yard art. What do we have out here?
So I call this the icing on the cake. You've got everything else in place, but now it's kind of fun to add a little whimsy, add a little color, even beyond the flowers. But we have a lot of garden stakes that are spinners, and we have a lot of beautiful, brightly colored mushrooms that you can put in a little cluster in your landscape to just brighten it up. And then a lot of the yard art from Think Outside, which we've talked about before, but they're individual, they're unique, one-of-a-kind pieces that just bring a whole new element to your landscape.
And I even saw you sell dog houses.
Well, I couldn't resist. So there's this beautiful dog house from Think Outside, and they come in small, medium, and large sizes, and they're just fabulous. And it'd be such a fun piece, not just as an art piece in your yard, but also for the dog to use.
Right, so it's art, but it's also practical.
Very functional, exactly.
And another practical piece I saw you're holding on to is this mason bee house or native bee house.
Right, it is. It's actually, it's a multi-habitat house, so it can attract many different kinds, but it is primarily for bees, and it's fun to look at, but it also is functional as well.
Yeah, you hang it on a garden wall, it's attractive, yet very functional.
Yes, we got to take care of the bees too.
Right.
We need them.
And with such an amazing selection of yard art, it's great to get outside and accessorize. I want to thank you, Diana, for letting us come out to Terra Casa
Thank you.
and enjoy all these wonderful items that you have to sell.
Thank you.